So I'm in a spot trying to match one today that I found early. There's still snow on the ground. And I just made a heck of a spot. It's out to the left of this tree, and in between that tree, it's out in there. It looks like it's probably the other side, but I won't know for 100% sure until I get home. I'm really shocked that I even saw this thing from where I was. I kind of don't think that's it. It looks smaller than the one that I'm after, if I can get through these stinking jaggers. Back of my head. There it is. Definitely not the match to the one I was after, but I'll gladly take it. Consolation prize, and I'll keep looking for, I guess, the other side of this one too now. Switched up spots, walking this hillside. It's covered in monkey balls, Osage orange, whatever you want to call them, hedge apples. Like I said before, depends on where you're from, but a lot of bedding sign in here. Let's look down right here. I believe it's an old one anyhow. If it's this year's, squirrels have done a number on it already. Yeah, it's this year's. The squirrels have gone to work. Stinking things. Holy cow, whole base is gone. Huh. Yeah, well. Maybe there's a few more in here.